2023 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 67,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows. Get a fast and easy price quote today.